Alright, so this is the SpeedyBee Master 3X frame unboxing. There's that. So it is sealed. Alright. There we go. Open it up. Alright, so we have the directions. We have the arms. We have the top, middle, and bottom plate. And it's got the battery pad on there. What else we have? We have the feet. And these are other molded plastic. And then we have the little wire protectors. We have the little aluminum mounts for the battery strap. We have the battery strap. We have an antenna for the ELRS receiver. We have the back piece, fits a GPS in there with a battery mount, or the XT30 connector, and a USB extension. That's pretty nice. Then we have the little side pieces, the bottom cover, the spacer between the top and middle plate, and then another the buzzer holder right here. And then we have a bag of screws and an inspection bag. So our bag of screws, we have, oh sorry, I tried to open it with one hand. In our bag of screws, we have, this is head securing screws. Got the buzzer wire, receiver wire. Oh, that's cool. It's got so you can disconnect it easily. That's pretty nice. More screws. Arm screws, aluminum plate or top plate, and then the nuts for the all-in-one. Then we have some motor screws, aluminum standoffs, and screws for the standoffs. That's about it. Now this is a short frame, so you will need an all-in-one ESC speed controller. There's not much space to fit a stack in there, so anyways, there's the unboxing, and here's again, that's the buzzer holder, the side plates, that's the spacer between the plates for the front, and of course the bottom cover for the ELRS receiver. So there we go, that's a SpeedyBee Master 3X frame unboxed.